Hello students, welcome back to my channel. We will learn the basic of JavaScript. Our second topic is comparison in a JavaScript. It means to say how to compare a two value in a JavaScript. Okay, so first we learn how to compare in a how to compare number in a normal math, and after that we learn how to compare a number in a JavaScript. Okay. Just we take a pen, okay, and I will explain you, and after that you can try by okay, yourself. So first thing is how to compare in a normal in a maths, okay. So first we check in a math section, and after that we learn in a code part, okay. So how to check comparison in a math? Like if we have num1. Okay, sorry for the writing. I think this is some mistake. Let me check. Wait, just wait for a minute. I'll just fix it in a minute. So, first thing is, so I teach you how to compare a number in a map. Okay. So first thing is, first number is we have 3. Okay. I think I have issue in a pen. Sorry for that. I don't know why it's creating problem. So I think the pen issue is fixed. So I can teach you again. So first number is 3. Okay. So 3, if 3 is greater than 9. Okay. So this is we checked in a mathematic, and this is our answer is, it means to say our 9 is greater than is 3. So this is the true. Okay. So same thing right in the code also. Okay. Just like second part is also when we check 4 is greater than 16, that is true. And 4 is greater than 16, that is false. And 4 is equals to 16. No. So in a mathematic, we just check the only one time. Only write one time equal. But when you just wait, I think I am facing some issue regarding pen. I don't know why it's creating issue. Hmm. So in a mathematic you can write easily, and when you write in according to code you have to comparison like double equal or triple equal. Okay, so you can comparison a two value using double equal or triple equal. Okay, so no worry about this. So we can learn inside the code. Okay, so this is the way of writing in a JavaScript is different because we have to initialize this value. It means to say our 4 value is 16 in a JavaScript, but mathematic it's not. Okay, so let's check the another question. So it means to say cube or square. It means to say 2's cube and 2 of square. Okay, power of square. So 2 of cube is 8. So let's check 8 is greater than 4. Is 8 is less than 4? No. So that answer is false. Okay. Or 8 is greater than 4. That is true. Sorry guys, my pen tab is creating issue, but I can give you some example in Visual Studio. Okay, don't worry about it. So we take it this example. This is very different example. It means to say we have value 1, 2, 3. Okay. So how to write in a mathematic way? So if we find the comparison between num1 and num2, so you can write the num1 section. So you can write, you just sum of this value like 1. Wait. You just need to sum this value like 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, I don't know, it's creating issue. Okay, just let it be. So its total is 6. So now again I total this value 4 plus 5 plus 6. So its total is 9 plus 6 is 15. So now we can check the comparison of this value. Okay. So now we can see the code of this comparison method. Okay. So now check their answer into the Visual Studio. First one is how to compare, how to write code of a compare value. Okay. So when you need to compare a value inside the JavaScript, you have to just write first is c console.log because you need to print that output. So our first question is we need to compare the value like 2 is greater than 3. So you suppose it, what is the answer of this? I think this is answer is true. So you can check this answer. So this is answer is true. Second is we can check the console.log 9 is less than 8. So you suppose it answer. Now your answer is false. Okay. So first is true and second is false. So don't confuse this answer. You can first one is if your work already work on this code, you can comment out this code and you can check easily your code. Okay. So now first you clear the panel and you can check the value. Now it's false. So we can we check again a value. So what is that value? If we check our value is equal to or not. So you just need to write console.log 9 is equal to 9 in a mathematic, but you don't write one single equal because you use this single equal when you initialize the value. Okay. So when you compare the value is equal to this value, you can write the double equal and after that you get the answer of this. Okay. So that is true. And you can also write the triple equal. So I will explain you what is the difference between double equal or triple equal. Okay. So wait for it. Okay. So this is our third example is covered. So our just we taken more example like let a equal to 2 raised to the power 2. Yes. Okay. You need to write you remember that na that example of cube and square and let b equal to 2 raised to the power 3. You remember that na when you find the power of that value you need to write 2 times of into sign. Okay. And now you need to console this value. Now you check your answer is if a is greater than b or not. Okay. So this is okay. A is greater than b or not. Sorry for that, I'm just writing this so you can check the answer. That is false. Okay. So just we covered the last example also. The last example is you have I think num1 equal, you just need to write to 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay. And after that you have value let num2 equal 4 plus 5 plus 6 and you need to compare this value. Okay. Console.log num1 is less than to num2 or not. So that is true or not? That is true. Okay. You can check this answer. Okay. So you can try this question. Okay. And after that, your concept is clear. Okay. So you can try this little example of comparison in a JavaScript. First, you need to write some mathematic comparison and understand how to compare a value. So first thing is I will explain you what is the difference between double equal and triple equal. Okay. So you think about just you need to compare this value. Okay. So if 9 is equals to triple equals to just we take an example. So that is answer is true. Okay, you know very well. And in this way, your answer is also true. But when you write single equal, you didn't get any answer. Okay, you get an error because in a JavaScript, when you compare a value, you need to, if you need to check this value is equal to other value, you need to write double equal or triple equal. Okay, equal without double equal or triple equal, you can't compare this value. Okay, so now next of the thing is double equal or triple equal is this. So in a JavaScript, one more thing, you need to check of this. You can check the you can check the type of, it mean to say it's type of number or string. Okay, in a JavaScript you have main three types of values, like right now I I will teach you three types of, like boolean, it mean to say boolean value, it mean to say true or false. Or the string is when you write something name inside a double inverted comma. Okay, and number usually used to like that. I just take an example. So first I clear this. Okay, so I just take an example, a equal to 2. So you need to check what is the type of this value. Okay, so you just try to type of, you need to cover this a, it mean to say a's value is 2. Okay, so you initialize the value of a is 2. So now you check your answer is number, because this is in the number form. Okay, okay. So when you cover in a double inverted comma, you get an answer into a string, because you cover into a double inverted comma. Inside the double inverted comma, you can write anything. The all value is string. Okay, you just check this is string. Okay, so when you check, okay, I just take an example. Sorry for that. When you take an example of let, if you have, just need to write, you can compare the value console.log. Your 2 is equals to 2. What do you think? What is the answer of this? You just need to compare the value. So what do you think? What is the answer of this? That is answer is true. Let's check. So answer is true, because double equal check only the value, not data type. Data type, it mean to say the first one side of this value is string and another side of this value is number. So if you want to compare this value also, so you can type one more equal and you just check. So now your answer is false. Yes, look at this. Because this side of the type is string and this type of value is number. So that is the difference between the double equal and triple equal. Double equal only check the value. It means to say only check the value. It means to say the one side is value is 2 and another side is value of also 2. Okay. If you write anything now, if you compare the value 0 equal to true, so that is also your answer is false, because 0 is not equal to 2. And if you write a one more equal na, you get an one more, this is a false value, because this is no any way to compare the value of 2. So when you write 2 na, so when you use triple equal, you need to the JavaScript compare the data type also. It means to say the data type of this two is string, because this is covered in a inverted comma, and another side is a number because this is not in a covered in inverted comma. Okay, and this comparison value, it's give to you data type what is boolean value. It means to say it was true or false. Okay, this is the comparison in a JavaScript. In a comparison section, they also give you the boolean value output. It's it was true or false. That's it. Comparison code not give you any number or any output, just give you boolean value like true or false. Okay, so this is the today's session. You can practice of this session because this is very important to uh, of a JavaScript, because this is a starting way of JavaScript. This is a basic of a JavaScript. You need to this comparison on a daily basis when you compare any value. So you need to practice of this session. So I know very well. I'm not teaching very well. I'm just trying to teach you in a JavaScript and clear also my concept. So if I'm uh, giving you any other wrong information or giving any other wrong direction, so you can comment me or you can suggestion me if he is Divya, you are wrong on this point, because I'm trying to teach you, na? That's why. So if this video is helpful to you, so please like this video and comment. Okay. So I am waiting for your comment. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye.